Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 92032. This is by Hogue. These are Beretta 92 polymer grit panels, engraved ivory. They've got the boneyard imaging on them. I'm going to take this out so you can get a better look. Here you have a little bit of extra information. You're carrying and maintaining safety and features. On the inside here, on either side, they say Hogue. Flip them over so you can see. And again, these are Beretta 92 polymer grit panels. They're engraved ivory. And this has the boneyard imaging on it, and these are by Hogue.